Toward its commitment to eradicate HIV and AIDS by the year 2030. Speaking in Meru County ahead of the World AIDS Day celebration, Chief Executive Officer of the National AIDS Control Council, Ruth Marsha, said that Kenya has doubled the number of people on HIV treatment from 2013 and has recorded a significant decrease of new HIV infections. Andreen Kilemi has the details.
The fight against HIV and AIDS intensifies as communities and young people are now brought to the forefront in eradicating the epidemic. This year's World AIDS Day commemoration under the theme "Let Communities Lead" will see communities across the world on the front lines if properly resourced.
Kama ni mafunzo kuhusu ni vipi wanaweza kutumia madawa vizuri, kama ni kufuatilia kuona wanatumia madawa vizuri ili watoto wasipate uambukizo, kama ni kufuatilia watoto kuona kuwa watoto wanatumia madawa vizuri wale wadogo, na pengine pia mafunzo kwa wale ambao hawana virusi. Tungetaka kuwa na ofisi kila mahali, lakini kwa sababu ukosefu wa hela hatuwezi tukafanya hivyo.
Speaking in Meru County ahead of the World AIDS Day celebration Friday, Chief Executive Officer, National AIDS Control Council, Ruth Marsha, underscored the government's commitment to end HIV transmission by the year 2030.
We have also done a lot in terms of reducing new HIV infections. In 2013, we used to have about 100,000, and last year there were about 22,000. And again, the children also transmission rate has gone down.
Despite efforts to prevent and treat the disease, HIV-related stigma and discrimination significantly affects the success to fully address the epidemic.
Although we have treatment, stigma and discrimination continue to stand in the way. And there's no way we are going to treat this disease as just a health issue without bringing communities to break down the structural issues, the gender-based violence that you're seeing, sexual offenses you're seeing against children, and what we are now calling the triple threat, where the HIV is interacting with children through adolescent pregnancies as well as sexual and gender-based violence.
It has, however, emerged that despite the notable reduction of cases of mother-to-child transmission before and during birth, the number of children being infected even after delivery is quite high.
And that is why we want to call out for men to become part of this awareness. If you're a man and you're having unprotected sex when your wife is pregnant or when your wife is breastfeeding, you need to know that you can pass a virus from yourself to the mother and to the child.
As the world gears towards the commemoration of the World AIDS Day tomorrow, calls have been made to end stigma and create awareness about the causes, the risk factors, symptoms, as well as access to medical care to ensure a zero-rate transmission of HIV infections by the year 2030. Andreen Kilemi, TV 47, Kinoru Stadium, Meru County.